Hello everyone. We're going to be discussing this BP Microsystems 1710 Universal Programmer. This adapter is a QFN48 adapter. I did have a chip for it right here. The keyword is had. I decided to do a self-test, and when you do the self-test, it tells you to take the chip out of the socket. Well, I was like, well, what would happen if I did it with the chip in the socket? Well, it nuked the chip. So that chip's toast. And as a bonus, we're going to do an unboxing at the same time. So let's do this self-test. I have to say this BP Win software here, it's a little bit buggy. Yeah, the chip that I was using was an EM357 ARM microcontroller. I get them all the time, so I'll have another one to test with that adapter or get some other 48 QFN chip. So let's do the self-test here. Tools, Programmer Diagnostics. This is Site 2. Site 1 is my Silicon Sculptor. We'll just say we're not going to run a memory test. That takes way too long. Gives all the information, BP Microsystems Diagnostics, serial number, 240 pin drivers, the speed's 96 megahertz, model 1710/240. The adapter is a TA240 LVL FX4, so it's going to test the adapter also. And the socket card. So we're going to go OK. Okay, and it says, if there's a chip and or adapter in the socket, please remove the chip and or adapter now. Would you like to verify calibration with a voltmeter? No. Checking the relays and transistors, fine current, all the pins. And it passed. So the adapters for these are fairly inexpensive on the used market, anywhere between $20 and $80 for adapter, which makes them fairly reasonable. There are some devices this BP Microsystems device will do that my Zeltec equipment won't, so it's always handy to have. And it also will do all the Actel silicon, so it will pretty much replace my Silicon Sculptor that I got for doing those chips. So let's do this unboxing. I know these fans are loud, so this pertains to this. So I need a cup of coffee. So this is from Fast Scrap. That's the way it was received. We will open this up. So far, this company, they get a lot of chip programming equipment. You know, they're in Phoenix, so I don't know what's going on in Phoenix, but you guys can't see that. Ah, darn it. Well, now you can see it. I just cut it open. Darn. Well, my bad. So, this is how it arrived. Yeah, this Fast Scrap company, right here, Fast Scrap, they seem to have all sorts of adapters and programmers and everything, so yeah, kind of botched this unboxing, but oh well. I packed this one really well. So this is a socket adapter, 48 pin dip. I always have to have a 48 pin dip for whatever programmer. I really don't have to, but there it is. It's used, but most of the time these don't go bad. The Zeltec ones can be overused, so I'm not sure if you're supposed to be able to hot swap these or not, but I'm going to. There it is. Let's bring the software up and see if it detected a different one. I'm just going to restart the software. Yeah, it's still showing that one, so let's restart the software. See if it detects that adapter. Yeah, nice thing is about the BPs is you can use adapters from older series. Okay, there it is. It's detecting the SM48D. We can go into use device, socket module info. Oh, that's not it. I'm still new to this software. I don't know it like the Zeltec. The Zeltec I can pretty much go anywhere quickly. Device. I don't remember where it was, but it usually will tell you what, how many insertions and programmings the. I'll come back on another video and do that. Ooh, socket module counter. Ah, there we go. Socket module counter. Device insertions 24. So this is only had a few chips. So let's grab some sort of a dip chip here. Let's do a 27C64. Or let's see, what do we have here? I've got something here. 27C256. I think that's a 27C256. Yeah, just some prom that's programmed. So that's the nice thing about when you get the adapters is I just did it again. Okay, well that's a 27C256. Okay. I need to figure this OBS out. Need to play with it more. That means we need to do more videos. Why aren't these videos working? That one's working. So 27C256. Just do generic AMD. Go to read. Failed to perform device off. The chip is inserted in the socket incorrectly. Oh, I'm on the wrong pin. The Zeltec, they're all the way down here. Let's throw it up here. Yeah, that's when you get multiple programmers. So those go up top. Hey, that's going to get a little confusing, but let's hit read again. Warning, the device code is not correct. Chip ID versus chip ID. Okay, we're going to ignore. And we're not showing still, are we? There we go. No, that's the same. Yeah, that's the same window. Ooh, it's really big. I'm amateur hour. I am an amateur at this YouTube stuff still, so. Oh, that window got really big. Just make it right. Put it right there. I had this all set up, but then I rebooted the software. So, okay. Tools. Socket module counter. Now it's got 26. Okay. Did that come up? Socket module counter. It's not showing. There it is. Okay. Maybe that works. No, it's still going to be here. I'll just throw it right there. Okay. I'll get this all figured out one day. I just have to do this more. But we'll reread that. Close that. I don't have the exact chip ID, so I could pull the label, but I'm not gonna. I'll just go grab a chip that I know the exact number on. Let's try this one. An M5L2764. There it is, Mitsubishi M5L2764. We will select that. There it is. Can't see it again. There it is. We're running low on dip chips. Okay, I light the software back up. I'm going to hit read. Chip is inserted in the socket incorrectly. I just had a pin error. Okay. Edit data pattern. That chip shouldn't be blank. Or yes, that chip should be blank. Okay. Okay, let's try one that's yeah, we'll program it. Nah, we won't. Yeah, we will. We'll put like all zeros, all ones, all zeros, all ones, a couple A's. Okay. And let's program it. come over here to verify. And we verify. So yeah, that adapter works. So I'll try to come back and do more videos on this. I'll get this OBS figured out one of these years. I figured I'd do something a little different than just standard unboxing. So we'll catch you later.